Hi, welcome to another video on my channel. If it's the first time you're coming to this channel, I just want to welcome you and also announce to you that this is the right place for you if you want to learn good mathematics concepts and if you want to learn how to really solve a lot of problems, math problems and also real life problems, then this is the right channel for you, right? So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video, right? I upload more than 10 videos per week. That's the aim for me, to upload more than 10 videos every week, so you can have new and fresh content to view at your own convenience. So please subscribe to the channel, share with your family and friends, and feel free to leave your comments so that I can know how the videos are performing, so that I can make additional adjustments if necessary. So for this video we are going to be looking at profit and percentage profit. I'm going to teach you how to calculate profit and also the amount of percentage that is gained after a profit is made. Right, so let's move straight into it. So a profit is basically a financial gain, and I want you to pay close attention to the word gain, right? Some level of gain is involved, and this gain basically comes about with the difference between the amount earned and the amount spent in buying, operating, or producing something. So let's look at buying, right? So let me make it simple. So if you bought a pen for, let me say, $10. Yesterday you bought this for $10. Then tomorrow you decide, say, you no longer want this pen because you see a nicer pen that you want to buy, right? So you sell it to your friend for $15. Now, if you want to find out how much profit you actually made, what you could do is subtract the 10 from the 15. I'm going to give you it in a more formal state once we start to move down into the calculation. So you sold it for $15, but you bought it for $10 the day before. So this is a profit of $5. So that's a concept that we are going to explore. Let's move on into some more formal examples. So in this case, Don bought a pack of pens for $80. The following day he sold the same pack of pens to Mark for $90. I state how much profit this should be did, right? Sorry about that. D how much profit did Don made on the pens. So let's calculate the profit on the pens now. Remember, it says that he bought the pens for the pack for $80 and sold it for $90. Alright. Too fine. Let me go again. So in this case, profit would be equal to the selling price, input SP, selling price minus cost price. That would be how you calculate the profit. So in this case, the selling price would be $90 because that's what he sold the pack of pens for, right? $90 minus the cost price. How much did it cost him? It cost him $80, right? Which means the profit is the difference between $90 and $80, which is $10, right? So please remember the difference between the selling price and the cost price. So the cost price is how much it costs the person to produce or buy the original item, right? And the selling price is how much he sells the item for, right? So let's look at part 2. Part 2 is asking for the percentage profit, right? And in some sources you might see profit percentage. So this is equal to the profit over the cost price times 100. Let me increase the size of the pen. Right? So in this case, our profit was $10, right? A profit of $10. I don't have to put the dollar sign. Right, it was a $10 profit. What was the cost price? The cost price was $80 times that by 100. So you can cancel a few zeros here. So this one can cancel this. And let me clean up this a bit. We have 10 times 10, that would give you 100, and we still have a 8 divided by 8. So this answer would give us the percentage profit. And if I should plug that in my calculator, let me see, P percentage profit is equal to 12.5%. So that is the percentage profit, right? A few more examples will help you to understand better what is actually being carried out here. Alright, second example now. Hope you're getting the swing of this. If there is something that you're not understanding, please leave it in the comment section so that I can zoom it in and produce a future video to give more clarity. And if you have a different way of carrying out these problems, or if you have a problem that you want me to create a video on, just comment the topic so I can do the research and provide you with that video. Alright, how much profit is made on a bag that was bought for $3,500 and sold for $4,500? Alright, pay attention to these two prices. Alright, yes, those prices are important. So wants to know the profit. So the bag was bought. So bought sounds like the cost price. Let me change this. The cost price. Nope, too fine. Alright. So the cost price was $3,500. That was the cost price. And the selling price, I'm gonna adjust the point, was $4,500. So they want to know how much profit was actually made on that. Alright, so profit would be equal to selling price SP minus cost price CP. What's our selling price? Our selling price is $4,500 and our cost price is $3,500. So what's the profit? So this looks to me like a profit of $1,000 was made here on the bag. How about the profit percent now, or the percentage profit? So percentage profit, this will be equal to $1,000 over, what was the cost price? $3,500 times 100, right? So these zeros will cancel as well, so we are left with 1,000 divided by 35. Let me punch this in my calculator and see what this gives. So if you view the examples, you will realize that it's the same concept throughout, right? So the percentage profit for this would be 28.6%, right? So moving on to the third example. Hope you're getting the swing of this. So Money bought a watch from Kerry for $6,100 on New Year's Day. Kerry bought the watch a few days before for $4,500. How much profit did Kerry made on the watch? So Kerry bought the watch for, it was bought for $4,500, right? $4,500, and it was sold for $6,100. So the profit will be $6,100 minus $4,500. Alright, so $6,100 minus $4,500. So the profit for that would be $1,600. Right? So you can see that the same concept remains throughout all the calculations or all the examples. So percentage profit. So percentage profit, or profit percentage for some sources, you will have the profit, which is $1,600, over what was the original price or the cost price? $4,500, and you multiply that by 100. Right? These zeros can cancel. This will cancel this. So you're left with 1,600 over 45. So this will give me the percentage profit. So let me find that one. 1,600 divided by 45. So the percentage profit for this is actually 35.5%. Right? So the concept remains the same right across. So the most important thing for you to do is to identify what is the selling price and what is the cost price. Once you can identify those, then we can move into solving these problems comfortably. Alright? Please remember this formula when it comes down to the profit. Right, so it's as good as that. So if you got a better understanding of this topic based on what I have done, please leave the comment so I can know how the videos are doing, as I said before, and that will also give me a better chance to produce good materials and good content for you in the future. So please share my videos, please share the link to the channel so that other persons can also benefit from it. So thank you very much for visiting, and have a wonderful day.